Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with yet another video. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being a part of the Diamond family. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will not miss when I upload a new video. Today we are going to do this vibrant purple. I rocked some bottom lashes today. I even reached back and picked up my K.O.R. in Rude Girl. I haven't worn this in forever, but it went perfect with this look. Although I used a few different shades of purple from different palettes, I do want to point out that I did go out and grab my 35M Boss Smooth palette, and hunty, when I tell you that this is a must-have, you got to mosey on down and check this out. If you have an Ulta in your area, I would definitely go ahead and get it. What are you waiting for? The only thing that bummed me out, I ordered this from Morphe. I had it in about 5 days, so that wasn't bad at all. But when I received it and I opened it, I noticed that my black was broken. It broke my heart. It was everywhere, and as you can probably see, like, some of the shades are kind of streaked with the black, but you know, I didn't want to go through returning it, receiving another damaged product, so I wasn't even tripping at all. But these greens, look at that, the shimmers, the purples really caught my eye because I love purple as well. For this palette, I only dabbled in one, and that was this dark purple. I am going to do an olive green tutorial really soon, just using the colors in this palette, so you guys stay tuned for that. But let's get into this purple sultry look. So if you're interested in finding out how I achieved this today, you know what to do, Diamond.